Good morning, students. Today we have a video demonstration on the muscles of hand. Actually, in hand we have the long muscles, long tendons which are originating from the flexor compartment and they are inserting onto the digits. But now we will study only and only the small muscles of hand. They are called as intrinsic muscles of hand. Small muscles of hand are also called as intrinsic muscles of hand. They are 20 in number. कितना नंबर है? 20. There are 20 intrinsic muscles of hand. Now this towards the thumb side, this area is called as thenar eminence. This elevation is called thenar eminence. So these are thenar muscles. Towards the little finger, these muscles are called as hypothenar muscles. These are called thenar muscles and these are called as hypothenar muscles. तो नंबर 1 थिनार मसल्स में सबसे पहले ये मसल आती है. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस मसल? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज, फॉर द थंब वी यूज pollicis. This muscle is called as abductor pollicis brevis. This muscle is called as abductor pollicis brevis. Just close to it, this muscle is called as flexor pollicis brevis. This is called flexor pollicis brevis. And when we remove the abductor pollicis brevis, we can see a muscle which is lying below. This muscle is called as opponens pollicis. We have three muscles of thenar eminence: abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and to the shaft is attached the opponens pollicis. Now the origin of abductor pollicis brevis. We have flexor retinaculum here. So this muscle originates from number 1 flexor retinaculum. Second, the carpals. Carpals towards the thumb side are the scaphoid as well as trapezium. So this muscle originates from scaphoid, the trapezium as well as the flexor retinaculum. Now you people can see the muscle is going and inserting here. Here this portion is called as the proximal phalanx. So it inserts into the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. This muscle is named as abductor pollicis brevis. Number 2 is flexor pollicis brevis. This muscle originates from number 1 flexor retinaculum. Second, we have trapezoid and capitate bones. Trapezoid plus capitate, and this muscle also inserts into the same part, into the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. Is it clear? Now third muscle which is present on the shaft, this is called as opponens pollicis. Opponens pollicis originates from the flexor retinaculum and it inserts into the shaft of the metacarpal. It inserts of the shaft of the metacarpal of the thumb. Are these three muscles clear? Muscles of thenar eminence, abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis. We have another muscle for the thumb which adducts the thumb. This muscle, this is called as adductor pollicis. Adductor pollicis. It has two heads. This is called as transverse head and this is called as oblique head. This one is transverse head and this is oblique head. Now the transverse head originates from the shaft of third metacarpal. This head originates from the shaft of the third metacarpal, whereas the oblique head, it originates from the basis of the second and third metacarpal. This muscle is called as adductor pollicis, where it gets inserted. It is inserted into the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb on the medial side, not on the lateral side, rather on the medial side. तभी तो ये जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगी ये थंब को एडक्ट करेगी, because it has to insert onto the medial side. This muscle is called as adductor pollicis. Transverse head and oblique head. Now we will discuss the muscles of the hypothenar eminence. This muscle is called as abductor digiti minimi. Now as we all know, we have carpal here, scaphoid, lunate, triquetral and pisiform. This muscle originates from the bone, carpal bone of the medial aspect, that is pisiform bone. Is it clear? Abductor digiti minimi originates from the pisiform bone. The muscle get inserted into the little finger. Into the little finger where? Here. This portion is called as the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. This is abductor digiti minimi. Now we will discuss the flexor digiti minimi. Flexor digiti minimi originates from the flexor retinaculum. It originates from here, that is the flexor retinaculum. The muscle gets inserted again to the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger, the same point. It gets inserted onto the base of the proximal phalanx of the little finger. Third muscle, which is lying deep, this muscle is called as opponens digiti minimi. This muscle is called as opponens digiti minimi. कहाँ से originate करती है? Flexor retinaculum से. This muscle originates from the flexor retinaculum, again inserts into the base of the fifth metacarpal on the medial border. It inserts onto the base of the fifth metacarpal onto the medial border. We also have a muscle that is superficial, that is called palmaris brevis, which has been removed along with the palmar aponeurosis, and it has been covered in the previous class. Is it clear? So these are the muscles of thenar and hypothenar eminence. Abductor flexor opponens. Here we have abductor flexor opponens, pollicis for the thumb and digiti minimi for the little finger. And we have adductor pollicis and the palmaris brevis. Now you people know that we have the flexor digitorum superficialis, and deep to it we have flexor digitorum profundus. You can see this is the tendon of flexor digitorum superficialis, and deep to it we have the tendon of flexor digitorum profundus. This is flexor digitorum superficialis and this is flexor digitorum profundus. Can you see this muscle? This is called as lumbrical. There are four lumbricals. The four lumbricals, they originate from the tendon of the flexor digitorum profundus. Deep वाले टेंडन से ओरिजिनेट करती हैं फ्लेक्सर digitorum profundus के. पहली दो होती हैं जो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वाली होती है, वो होती है यूनिपेनेट. रेस्ट टू दे आर बाईपेनेट. यू कैन सी दिस इज बाईपेनेट, दिस इज बाईपेनेट, दिस इज ऑल्सो बाईपेनेट. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड दे आर यूनिपेनेट. कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट करती हैं? दे ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द टेंडन ऑफ द फ्लेक्सर digitorum profundus. Is it clear? Now first lumbrical, they originate from the lateral side of the flexor digitorum profundus. Second also originate from the lateral aspect of the tendon of flexor digitorum profundus. Whereas third and fourth, as they are bipinnate, they originates from the adjacent flexor digitorum profundus tendons. Is it clear? They originate from the either sides of the tendon of the flexor digitorum profundus. They are bipinnate muscles. Now where they are inserted, they go back and insert onto the extensor expansion. पढ़ा था ना extensor expansion, यहाँ पे extensor hood पढ़ा था, उसमें बताया था कि adjacent sides it receives the tendons of the interossei as well as lumbricals. So lumbricals, they get inserted onto the extensor expansion into the base of the distal phalanx. These muscles are called as lumbricals. Is it clear? अब now we have this plane. जब इस प्लेन को हटाएंगे, we will remove this plane, we will see the palmar interossei, and on the dorsal aspect we have these muscles. These are called dorsal interossei. Palmar interossei, tomorrow we have a video demonstration on arterial supply as well as the nerve supply. I will show you the palmar interossei on another cadaver. Now this is another cadaver's hand, and we have removed the long flexor tendons. This is flexor digitorum superficialis and these are the tendons of flexor digitorum profundus, and here this structure is the carpal tunnel. You can see this is the carpal tunnel, and this muscle is adductor pollicis. Now are you able to see this muscle, this muscle, this muscle, and deep to the adductor pollicis here? Actually these are palmar interossei. This muscle, palmar interossei, सारी की सारी होती हैं यूनिपेनेट. There are 4 palmar interossei, all are यूनिपेनेट. देयर आर 4 palmar इंट्रोशिया, दे आर यूनिपेनेट। जो पहली वाली palmar इंट्रोशिया है वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट करती है? इट ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम द मीडियल साइड ऑफ द मेटाकार्पल्स, फर्स्ट मेटाकार्पल, मीडियल साइड ऑफ द फर्स्ट मेटाकार्पल। जो सेकंड वाली है वो मीडियल साइड ऑफ द सेकंड मेटाकार्पल, थर्ड वाली फ्रॉम द लेटरल साइड ऑफ द फोर्थ मेटाकार्पल, एंड फोर्थ वाली लेटरल साइड ऑफ द फिफ्थ मेटाकार्पल। We do not have palmar introtia for the middle finger. These are the 4 palmar introtia. Now I show you my hand. Now this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth metacarpal. While taking the axis at the middle finger, I'll tell you the origin of the palmar introtia. First वाली first metacarpal से originate करेगी, ठीक है? Because palmar introtia का काम होता है adduction. The palmar introtia helps in adduction. तो the middle finger is taken as the axis. फर्स्ट वाली यहाँ से ओरिजिनेट करके इधर जाती है, सेकंड वाली ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम दी सेकंड यहाँ पे जाती है। दोनों मीडियल एस्पेक्ट से ओरिजिनेट करते हैं वाइल इन एनाटॉमिकल पोजीशन। थर्ड एंड फोर्थ दे गो टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ फिंगर रिस्पेक्टिवली। सो वी डू नॉट हैव palmar introtia फॉर द मिडल फिंगर। द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द palmar introtia इज एडक्शन, इट हेल्प्स इन एडडक्शन। इज इट क्लियर? तो वी हैव द 4 palmar introtia, चारों की चारों यूनिपेनेट होती हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। No palmar introtia for the middle finger. Now back to the same cadaver, hand of the same cadaver. This is the dorsal introtia. You can see this is the dorsal introtia, this is dorsal introtia, this is dorsal and this is dorsal introtia. डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई ऑल आर बाईपेनेट। जैसे पामर इंट्रोशियाई यूनिपेनेट थे, डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई बाईपेनेट थे। वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट करते हैं? वो एडजेसेंट मेटाकार्पल से ओरिजिनेट करते हैं, बाईपेनेट। वन पेना फ्रॉम हेयर एंड अनदर फ्रॉम हेयर। दिस इज बाईपेनेट मसल, दे ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम द एडजेसेंट साइड्स ऑफ द मेटाकार्पल्स। दिस इज फर्स्ट डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई, दिस इज सेकेंड डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई, दिस इज थर्ड डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई एंड दिस इज फोर्थ डॉर्सल इंट्रोशियाई। Is it clear? So they insert where they insert onto the dorsal digital expansion. ये मैंने expansion दिखाई थी पहले। तो the dorsal introtia they inserts into the dorsal digital expansion of the second, third and fourth. Now I'll show you how the dorsal introtia are present in my hand. Now here we have palmar introtia and this is the dorsal aspect of hand. We have the dorsal introtia. The main function is abduction. थंब के लिए तो we have the abductor pollicis. Now adjacent side से originate करती है dorsal introtia. They inserts into the extensor expansion. This is first dorsal introtia. Second वाली adjacent metacarpal से originate करेगी, goes into the middle finger. Third वाली it originates from the third and fourth metacarpal and inserts into the dorsal distal expansion for the middle finger. So middle finger receives the insertion of the second as well as the third dorsal introtia, and between the fourth and fifth metacarpal we have the fourth dorsal introtia which inserts into the expansion of the ring finger. For the little finger we have the abductor digiti minimi. This is the insertion of the dorsal introtia. Now talking about the nerve supply of all these muscles. Nerve supply of all these muscles. See, towards the thumb we have a nerve. This is called median nerve. These are the branches of the median nerve. We can locate the median nerve here. It will supply all the muscles of thenar eminence except this adductor pollicis which is being supplied by ulnar nerve. Adductor pollicis is being supplied by the ulnar nerve, rest all thenar eminence are being supplied by the median nerve. Now all the hypothenar muscles, they are being supplied by the ulnar nerve, by the deep branch of ulnar nerve, because we have ulnar nerve towards the little finger aspect. It will supply all the hypothenar muscles except the palmaris brevis which is being supplied by the superficial branch. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट लम्ब्राइकल्स. लम्ब्राइकल्स की नर्व सप्लाई क्या है? जो पहले दो वाले लम्ब्राइकल्स हैं वो है मीडियन नर्व से सप्लाइड. द फर्स्ट टू लम्ब्राइकल्स दे आर बीइंग सप्लाइड बाय द मीडियन नर्व, वेयर एज रेस्ट टू lumbricals, the third and fourth lumbricals, they are being supplied by the ulnar nerve. Dorsal interossei and palmar interossei all are being supplied by the ulnar nerve, by the deep branch of ulnar nerve. So thank you students.